everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually doing my collab with Real Chicks TV with Carla. I did a collab, I uploaded it, it's on my YouTube channel. Carla had some illness, first her and then some illness in her family, and so we had to push that collab back. Well, it was actually supposed to be on the day before Halloween, so I did kind of like a little Halloween kind of looking thing, and when she had to push the collab back again, I decided to go ahead and upload that video because I knew it wouldn't work later on into the month of November, which where we are now. So I just decided to redo my collab video, so you get a little extra collab video. You got two for the price of one. So this one today, I want to thank Carla. I know she's had some illness, and I definitely know what that's like. So here we go, a new look. And my look today was inspired by my new palette from Mercury Retrograde. There we go, for Huda Beauty, Mercury Retrograde. I just got it in. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. I love Huda. Anyway, so I decided to use this palette, and I was thinking kind of frosty. It's finally cold here in the South, and I can wear sweaters, even though I have a fan on beside me. That has nothing to do with the weather. That has to do with my internal temperature. But anyway, I want to thank Carla again. And if you're watching this video because you came from Carla's channel, hi, welcome. And I am so grateful to have you here. And all of my subscribers, if you want, please go and check out Carla's video. I will have it linked down below. So anyway, here we go. Let's get into the eye look. Okay, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And please hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So again, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time.